You how to build a resume using the resume builder. So you click on build a resume, and then you can see there are 6 tabs, and you can start to add content for each of these tabs. So you can add your experience, you can add education, any certifications that you might have. And after each tab, make sure to click finish. I'm just clicking around so I can show you what each of the tabs is. And then if there's a professional summary or skills you want to type out, and then a reference tab, if you want to click references available upon request, you can do that, or you can actually add the references in right here. So you click add reference. And then once you're done, you can see a preview of mine is going to be blank because I didn't add any text in, but this is what the preview looks like. So that's how you would build a resume using the resume builder. Then you would click finish when you're done. And before you can continue, we need to complete your profile. And so you can allow employers to find you by clicking yes or no. How long your career break was, you would click the right one. Your educational background, your preferences in terms of returning to work full-time, part-time, starting a business, whether or not you've been to one of our conferences. Select the conference. If you don't know the conference, then select other and type in the name of the conference. You can also opt to put in, I'm going to just choose a conference that we have. I'm going to also opt to put in my LinkedIn profile. So you would type that here if you wanted to add that. And then select most of your prior industry experience and most of your prior functional experience. And you can check off as many as you'd like here. Although we recommend keeping it to 2 or 3 at the most. And then here, adding any additional job titles that you're looking for. You can upload certifications and then make sure that you click save. And that is how, of course, I always forget the relocate one. Scroll down, there it is. So I'm willing to relocate. Take 2, click save. And now you're ready to search jobs and your registration is complete.